Welcome to a tutorial video on how to create and manage your RFPs with our newest feature, RFP Plus. This feature will allow you to create RFPs and send to vendors. Managers and board members can be granted access to view the ticket dashboard, get notifications, stay on top of updates, and all vendor replies. So let's get started. You'll notice your RFPs will appear on your dashboard. You can click here to get to your ticket dashboard, or you can get there by going to Tickets and then clicking on RFP. Here in your RFP dashboard, you can see a history of all of your tickets. Let's get started with creating an RFP. Click on Add Request for Proposal. That will bring up your ticket creation page. If you use any of our other ticket types, this page will look familiar. You'll want to populate your fields. So fill in your subject and description. Then you can choose your category and subcategory. These are customizable fields based on the types of RFPs you do. Check off yes if you'd like to notify your boards. You can also choose to e-notify your managers. You are also prompted if you would like to share or hide the RFPs from your board members. Next, you can assign your RFP. You'll want to have entered your vendors in the vendor management module so that they'll appear here in your dropdown. When you assign your ticket, your vendor will receive an e-notification. With this new product, we've introduced the ability for vendors to reply to e-notifications, and that return email will be stored in the ticket history. Next, you can add your attachments. Click on Add Files and then choose to upload your attachments. Once you've uploaded your attachments, you'll be asked which documents you want to send with the notification email. Click on the down arrow in the Attach Files to Email box and check off the attachments you want to include. Now you can add your RFP. If you click on the down arrow, you'll have the ability to create the ticket, or save and create a new ticket, or save this ticket and create a duplicate ticket. This is a great time saver if you want to send the same RFP to another vendor. Now that you've created your RFP and sent your RFPs to vendors, let's make updates to the tickets. As a reminder, all of your Polera managers and optionally board members will have access to the RFP tickets, can see and make status updates, and view vendor correspondence, all in the ticket history. Just like with our other ticket types, you'll navigate to the RFP tickets dashboard, find your ticket, and click on the eye to open up the ticket. Here you can make edits to your ticket, delete, add files, and make comments. Let's click on Add Comment, Change Status, and Assign. Here you can make status and assignment changes, as well as add comments. These comments can be shared via an e-notification and will be visible in the ticket history as well. To view the history of the ticket, view status changes and comments, as well as see any vendor communications and attachments, you'll simply navigate to the ticket in the dashboard, click on the eye, and there you will see the options. You can view the comments, click on Conversations to see the vendor correspondence, and click on All Events to see the entire life cycle of the ticket. You will be able to run searches based on assignment, categories, status, and more. And check out our Excel reporting options in the top right-hand corner to help keep your team organized. Thanks so much for taking the time to view this RFP tutorial.